Three Musketeers, here we go. We're gonna be riding behind our buddy in the mountains. All right, Motostars, go ahead.
He didn't expect his friend to stop for no reason at all.
There we go. Anyways, stop for no reason at all. Why did we do that? It looks like there was a trail right there, but there should have been some communication going on. Okay, either hand signals using a Bluetooth system, which we do have here. We have the Cardos, but yeah, you don't want to be stopping for no reason. And if you're going to be following somebody, if you don't have those, if you didn't have a hand signal or a Cardo, you need to have your escape path at all times. That's why we need to plan a ride. We need to locate that hazard, and your hazard is your buddy up front. Okay? There we go. We're jumping to the next one. Irish Mark 48 filmed with potato. We got side of the vehicle intersections right here. What are we going to do here? Pay attention. You just got hit because you're looking and you weren't doing what we're supposed to be doing. Okay. So when we see intersections, it's an automatic orange stage. We need to get ourselves prepped and ready. We saw that person come out and we just put our hands up. That was our reaction, is putting our hands up. Our reaction should be swerving. Get out of there, swerve, and then when you're past everything and you're doing fine, you can look back and do your flipping thing. Don't do it when you're in the middle of an emergency situation. It's like yelling at somebody for pointing a gun at you. Don't get it. Anyways, here we go. So we're riding around again. There's another intersection. There's gonna be an side of the vehicle. He's gonna get himself out of there. Please take it. Thankfully, he had an escape path. We're moving off to DWAS. What's going on here? Okay. Oh, we got a little bit of a wheelie going on. That's the only way he's able to see forward. Or did we land it terribly? Or oh, no. Didn't do it where we're supposed to be doing. He was going too fast. There was a curve right there. Didn't set up. Whoa, uncommon thing in the common situation. Don't do this part.
But failing to yield the right of way.
Just keep going. Don't look at. You can do a U-turn in the middle of traffic. Why do a U-turn in the middle of traffic? Not very smart. Dude's an idiot. Get over it. If this is how I mean, I get it. Scary situation, but I've had people do that and I didn't act like this. That means you don't have to. Alright, if I could do it, you can do it. Same situation as earlier. Buddy was slowing down probably because there was traffic in the way. Remember, ride your own ride. Only go when you're comfortable going. Let's see, why did he stop? They're coming up to something. There's a bunch of traffic stopping up ahead. Didn't know what to do. We should be paying attention if we were that rider, okay? Seth was here. Here we go. Little buddy on a stretched out Grom. Okay, let's go ahead and... Sounds pretty cool. What are we gonna do? Oh, didn't set up. That was like the miniature version of a high side. He was starting to do that low side thing, and then he went up and over, but it was on a little baby Grom with a nice exhaust. Honestly, look at that thing. A little custom work going on. What are we doing here?
I pushed too hard on my back brake.
There you go. Did our own after action review. Push a little too hard on that back brake. Go a little bit slower. Go a little bit wider into that turn. There's no reason to gun it. No reason to rush. When you're riding in a rush, that is where you start screwing up. If you catch yourself rushing, you're gonna have a bad time. All right, one way, wrong way. Okay. Watch out for this motorcyclist. Got through. Hey, found an escape path. That was a little weird look. It's like, all right.